Hello everyone, I am Sarthak Sharma and I am a chartered accountant and have recently cleared all the levels of CFA as well. As a chartered accountant, I get a lot of questions that how did you approach CAT and how a typical non-engineering background student should approach CAT. So first of all, it's very important to understand the three subjects that are there in CAT. Firstly, we have VARC, second LRDI and third quants. So as a CA, we tend to be a lot more better in data interpretation section because of our exposure to various kind of graphs and huge segment of data that we need to read and analyze in our exam preparation as well. So LRDI is a segment which I was also very good at, and I personally am very interested and have been very interested in solving puzzles and graphs. So LRDA was a segment which really pushed up my score. Um, then came to quants. So in quants, a lot of non-engineering students don't have that much bandwidth to solve any particular question in lesser time because of because we use so much calculator in our daily routines and in our exams, in our articleship. So we don't know the shortcuts and smarter approaches of solving any question. So in quants, first of all, it's very important to understand and absorb all the conceptual material that is there, and then we need to focus on and work our way around the smarter approach of solving any questions. So if let's say I can solve a particular algebraic equation in 1 minute, so is there a way that I can reduce my time and adopt a smarter approach of solving that question in around 10 to 15 seconds? So I focus on that, and focusing on smarter way of approaching questions and quants is really important because time is very crucial and time is limited for each and every person. So if you can scale up your attempts while maintaining accuracy in quants, that can really work wonders. Then coming to verbal ability and reading comprehension. So I was not very good in VARC section from the very beginning, but I tend to read a lot during my free time, be it magazines, newspapers, or different kind of genre, novels, and those kind of things. So what I really did in VARC in upscaling my VARC scores was I tend to read a lot of different genres. So I started reading Guardian, The Economist, various newspapers, various magazines, different articles, and different blog posts by experts. So that kind of gave me a lot of understanding about the various different kind of subject matter that is there in English language, and that really helped me in increasing my speed, in increasing my reading speed as well. So in VRC, it's very important to first of all increase your reading speed. Then we need to focus on our strengths and weaknesses. We need to identify those. That is VA verbal ability my strength or weakness? How one needs to improve on that? Then in reading comprehension, there are a lot of questions that are asked after reading that particular comprehension. So after reading a particular piece, you need to devise the strategy that what all questions you can answer with how much accuracy, what's your understanding of the reading passage that is given, and chalk out a strategy that what all questions you need to attempt and what all things you need to improve upon. So yeah, that's that. In short, solving a lot of questions, solving mock test, reviewing those mock tests at the end, jotting down the areas of your strengths and weaknesses, and the end, revising a lot of things in all the three subjects can really help scale up your scores. So, all the very best, and thank you so much.